بقول لك انت بتركز في الفروع، الجواب في الجذور. الجواب في الجذور. Okay, so let's draw that tree again. All right? Let me be generous again with this beautiful tree. There we go. Now if we take this tree and then we put out our root, okay, فعل. Okay, فعل. All right? Fa ayin lam. From it, we know that we have al-fa'il, which is our doer, and then we have a maf'ul, right, which is our object, right, and then we have our tool, mif'al, mif'al, which is a tool of doing that object, of doing that verb, and then we have our maf'al, which is our place of doing that thing. All right, and then from that you also have, just looking at this part right here. Now I'm not even going to look at the other parts. From fa'il, and then you have fa'al. You have fa'al. Fa'al lima yurid. Right? And then you have fa'alan. And then you have fa'alan. Again, exaggerated form. Both are exaggerated forms. The difference between them, we can talk about that later. Right? So then you have this, and then you have this. And then from that, you also have, depending on the verb, you also have fa'il. Yeah, fa'il, depending on the verb, like rahim and kareem, etc. Right? And then you also have fa'il with the shidda, right? It's fa'il, like Siddiq. You have Sadiq and then you have Siddiq, right? Right? And we can keep going, right? But you can see what the hanging fruit, the hanging fruit from the tree. You can see that just focusing on that, the fa'il, right? You can get all these extra derived from that. Okay. Why would you take your time and to try to learn every single one as though it's a different word, when you can actually just focus on understanding this and understanding how it breaks up and spreads into different branches. Once you understand that, then you understand all of these easily, quickly. Strategy is very important when you're learning Arabic. You got to learn Arabic the correct way. Don't waste your time learning it like you learn English. It's a foolish game. You're going to be wasting a lot of time. Instead of learning 1 million words, for example, you're going to be learning 10 million because you learn in an efficient way, right? And that's what I'm focusing on here. الجواب في الجذور. الجواب في الجذور. فين؟ في الجذور. خير.